Hey guys, so here to start the day, a great green drink. This is mostly parsley with a little bit coconut water that I had left. We usually make with sugarcane and a little bit lemon. That is delicious. You can put any kind of green, dandelion, parsley, cilantro. This was a lot parsley. I felt like a start the day cleansing today and feel very good. Cheers.
Thursday farm day out here on the farm. We don't have like a huge project today, so what we're going to be doing is picking our beautiful coffee. Yes, we got the whole crew. We got Adam over here helping out.
Aloha.
River popping out over there. Kevin's kicking somewhere, and we got people harvesting, and so yeah, really lucky to have this abundance, you know. And if you're a coffee drinker, oh man, to get it super fresh like this and do the whole process yourself is really amazing.
How many trees we have here,
Yeah.
and how much coffee we can make after? What do you think?
Okay. So on the property, it's kind of interesting with coffee. You know, they're constantly producing keikis. So underneath the base of the tree, you know, sometimes this actually isn't coffee. This is yeah, this is coffee. Anyway, at the base of the trees, sometimes they'll continue to produce keikis. And then, so as far as how many actual coffee trees we have on the property is like, it's probably astronomical because there's so many little babies all over the ground in the orchard. But I would say we have like at least 100 producing trees. And they're kind of like tucked throughout this food forest.
You said 100?
At least, yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. So it's pretty decent coffee operation. Yeah, and then at the end of the year, I mean, I can only imagine how much coffee we'll have, how many pounds of cherry we're bringing up each day, each time we harvest is pretty significant.
So I've been going the last couple of days training how to do the harvest for lunch, and today's my first day on my own. Here I'm gonna harvest a loofah, which is really cool. It's actually one of my favorite new vegetables that I've learned about, and it's really good it's kind of like a mix between a squash and like a zucchini and a cucumber, so the texture is crisp, it feels really nourishing, and it's just one of my favorites.
Banana blossom. We're gonna make some salad. Gonna cut in Juliet, and then we're gonna be soaking for an hour before we mix with the other vegetables, papaya, cucumber, so many layers. And then we cut very thin. We're gonna mix all the salad.
To the white part.
The white part is the one that I wanted to peel off and achieve in that one. So I don't use this often, but it's an experiment. They're using a lot in Asian dishes, especially Philippines. And this seems a little bit, a lot bitter for me, but let's see after soaking if it's okay to be mixing the salad. The heart is very small until you see the white, kind of white part. In this part that we're gonna eat. This is called Achiote. It's a lipstick plant. These I'm gonna be using in the rice. So I'm gonna put in the rice cooker. I usually soak an hour the rice to get soft and cook faster. And then we're gonna put in like 3 of these to cook together, and let's see after.
Very nice. Lipstick plant.
Oh, so cool.
What would you guys do at Kissy Face? At the same time. Great. shake it so it doesn't stick. So we're making ulu chips today. This is mature ulu that Kevin brought up. So I just used a mandolin and sliced them pretty thinly. Want them pretty thin. Not too thick, not too thin, so they get a nice crunch to them. We're frying up some right now in some hot oil. Make sure your oil is really hot when you make these, so they don't get soggy. And you get this finished product of crunchy. Delicious ulu. Alright, we're going to serve this with some ulu hummus over here that yours made. Teamwork happening. Ulu chips on ulu hummus.
Awesome. And what's going on with your face?
My face. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with my face. What happened?
You guys have something. Oh, ears have a really nice
Maybe I should have
lips.
someone too.
Lipstick.
Yeah.
Lipstick blend. We use for cooking the rice. So make it this reddish, nice color. And then we fill in the tribe.
The tribal spirit. So the girls use them for a blush with a little bit on their cheek, and then for lipstick. You can use them for eyeshadow. You can use them for like war paint if you're like going to war, or for like ceremonial weddings. But yeah, it's got a lot of uses, this lipstick plant. It is also good on food.
Very famous in Asian food, the Hawaiian food. It's Philippines, they use a lot, but
Yeah, in the Philippines they call it achiote. Achiote.
yeah, making really nice color.
Very nice.
And indigenous for the whole body with the Brazil food. The whole face and shred some papaya. Salad is outside is green, we use the green one, but inside they are orange. And here we have the banana blossom. This is the heart of the banana. And this part here we separate too, but we decided not to use it this time in the salad. We may gonna cook the probably better taste. Right now it's really bitter. So we're gonna mix, this one's a cucumber. Mix in here. The papaya. And I have some the lufa. Actually that is, for us it's like a cucumber. Hawaiian cucumbers. This banana blossom I soaked for an hour. So the acid gets out a little bit, the acid. It then antioxidizes it too quickly. So I just strain. And then we're mixing this out. I'm gonna put a lemon, a little, about like 6 small lemons. So we're gonna do a little bit there, and then a little bit sugar, 1 spoon, and about the same for the salt. I will mix everything, and from here I will separate some for the vegans, and the other ones I mix some the fish sauce to give a little bit extra taste.